Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will try to explain everything about the KuCoin trading bot. KuCoin trading bot monitors the market and executes the trade on your behalf. This bot can help you to earn money even when you are away from the screen. By the way, I am also uploading this video in the Hindi language. You can find the link to the Hindi video in the description below. And you can also find my KuCoin referral link in the description. If you don't have a KuCoin account, you can use that link to create one. Okay, now coming back to the video. Currently, you can find 5 different bots under KuCoin Trading Bot. You can use all 5 bots in the KuCoin app, but if you will use the KuCoin website, you won't be able to use Infinity Grid and DCA bot. These 2 bots works only in the app for now. You will see the ranking option inside the trading bot. Here you can see the last 7-day ranking and leaderboard, but when you click on the rank, nothing happens. I think it would be helpful if KuCoin will show more details about these rankings. Okay, now let's see how you can create a spot grid bot. Open Trading Bot. Select Spot Grid. If you want to copy the parameter of a top ranked trading bot, you can just click on the ranking. But I would suggest you do not copy these parameters because the same parameter may not work. You can see this message. KuCoin is also saying the same. Okay, now click on the Create button to create a Spot Grid bot. Here you will get 2 parameters option, AI parameters and Customize. I prefer the Customize parameter option. Now you can select the trading pair of your choice. I will keep the link USDT selected. You can also click Fill AI parameters to fill the same price range as AI. Or you can check the price chart to enter custom details. In 4 hours chart, low price is around 17.75 and the high price is around 21.5. So I will enter the same in the price range. I will enter 40 in this field. The number of placed orders depends on the price range. If the difference between the low and high price is very big, you will get more number of placed orders. Then enter the amount you want to invest. You need fund in your trading account to create a bot. The minimum investment amount is different on all trading pairs. If you will select any other coin, you will see a different minimum investment amount. You can also use this advanced settings option to set stop price, take profit price and entry price. Now click on the create button to place the order. Click confirm to start the bot. I will show you how this bot performs after 2 hours. As you can see, almost after 2 hours, this bot has completed 3 arbitrages. A combination of 1 buy order and 1 sell order is an arbitrage. This means the bot has completed 3 buy orders and 3 sell orders in 2 hours. You can also click on this icon to see the order details. Currently, I can see 36 buy orders and only 4 sell orders. The reason behind very few sell orders is the price range. I entered 21.5 as the high price range and the current price of the link coin is around 21.12. The difference between the current price and high price range is very less. That's why the bot has placed only a few sell orders. I can click on this edit button to change the price range. If I will increase the price range, the bot will modify this active order and place more sell orders. As you can see, now the active buy order is 33 and the sell order is 17. After 11 hours, this bot has completed 30 arbitrages and currently my profit is 1.36%. I cannot call it a great profit, but also I cannot ignore the fact that I am gaining a small amount without monitoring the market. Obviously, you can also lose money after using this bot, but if you will customize your parameter depending on the market condition, you will definitely earn a good amount. If you want to stop this bot, you can click on this stop icon. Select the mode of refund and click confirm. After stopping the bot, you will get your fund back into your trading account. You can check your profit and loss history in the profit section. Now let's talk about the Future Grid bot. Future Grid and Spot Grid are almost the same, so I am not going to explain about Future Grid in detail. Future Grid has 2 advantages. The first advantage is leverage. You can use up to 5x leverage, which means you can earn 5x more money, or you can lose 5x more. And the second advantage is the short position. In Spot Grid, you can earn money only if the price of a coin will increase, but in Future Grid, you can earn money in both directions. If you think the price of a coin will decrease, you can use the Future Grid to create a bot for the short position. Now before going ahead, I want to talk about APR. As you can see, KuCoin is showing almost 15,000% APR as the top gainer on the Spot Grid. APR means the annual percentage rate. KuCoin is multiplying the daily return to 365 to show you the APR. So if you will divide this number by 365, you will get around 41% return. This means this user's returns is only 41%, but KuCoin is showing in APR, that's why it looks like a very big return. And if you will check the time BTC chart, this coin has pumped 218% in the last 24 hours. So I think showing APR is kind of misleading. If they can show daily return instead of APR, that will be more useful for KuCoin users. Now let's see how DCA works. I think most of you already know about DCA. DCA means dollar cost averaging. DCA allows you to lower the average entry price of an investment. Now suppose I am bullish on STR and I want to hold at least 10k coins, but I cannot purchase 10k coins at once. So what I will do is I will start investing a fixed amount on STR at a regular interval. But without the DCA bot, I will have to do it manually. But with the help of KuCoin DCA bot, you can do it easily. This bot will automatically invest a fixed amount at a preset time interval. Creating a DCA bot is very easy. Open Trading Bot, select DCA, click Create button. Select the coin you want to invest in. On the next screen, you can customize the investment amount and time as per your requirement. Now select the profit target and select one between two options: Remind me and continue DCA or Remind me and sell all positions. After that, you can click on the confirm button and KuCoin DCA bot will start within a few seconds. You can see this DCA bot. This bot is investing $20 every 4 hours. If you will go to the order details, you will also see at what price the bot has completed the previous purchase. DCA bot is the best for those who prefer long-term investment instead of trading. Last year I started investing $10 every month on BTC. Currently Bitcoin price is more than 25% down from its all-time high, but my DCA investment is still in 150% profit. Previous screenshot is from the Indian exchange Bitdroplet. At that time, KuCoin bot was not available, but now KuCoin bot is the better choice because Bitdroplet supports only few coins, and here on KuCoin you can choose any coin of your choice. Now let's understand Smart Rebalance. Smart Rebalance keeps the holding of your portfolio always the same in percentage. Suppose you want to keep 50% of your portfolio in Ethereum, 25% in BNB, and 25% in Sol. You invested $1,000, which means currently you are holding $500 in Ethereum, $250 in BNB, and $250 in Sol. After 24 hours, the price of Ethereum has increased and the price of BNB and Sol has decreased. Now you have $600 in Ethereum, $200 in BNB, and $200 in Sol. In this case, Smart Rebalance will sell $100 worth Ethereum and will invest $50 in BNB and Sol each. You can select Rebalance by time or Rebalance by coin ratio at the time of creating a bot. Now let's understand the last bot, Infinity Grid. Infinity Grid ensures that your holdings should be equivalent to the initial holding value. Suppose you create a bot for Ethereum coin. The current value of your Ethereum holding is 1000 USDT, and after a few hours, the Ethereum price increased by 5%, and now the value of your holding is 1050 USDT. In this case, the Infinity Grid bot will sell 50 worth of Ethereum to keep your holding to 1000 USDT. Infinity Grid works only if the price of a coin stays above your lowest limit price. It won't able to keep the same value if the price of a coin will continue to decrease. Obviously, you can set a stop loss price to decrease the risk. Okay, I think this is enough for this video. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.